Hi, John's here. Today, we're going to do a Galaxy S9 Plus unboxing. Let's go! Let's grab and open up first the wireless charger box, and removing the cover, you'll be greeted by a fast wireless charger which can also be used as a phone dock. Other items inside the box includes the quick start guide and warranty sticker, a micro USB to USB Type-C adapter, and an accessory leaflet which shows accessories that you can buy and use for your Samsung device. Setting that aside, let's get the Galaxy S9 Plus. Opening the box, I did get a free Smart LTE SIM, but this is not really included on all units. I just made a pre-order that has it. We'll also get this smaller box that includes a SIM ejector tool, not shown in this video, quick start guide, and a clear case to protect your phone. Now for the main item we're all waiting for, the Galaxy S9 Plus. This unit has the midnight black color, quad-core Exynos 9810 CPU, 128GB of storage and 6GB of RAM, and not only has dual camera, one sensor has 2.4 and 1.5 aperture, which can see better at low light. Below the device, we get a USB charger adapter that has similar technology to Quick Charge 2.0. We also have a USB connector, USB cable for transferring files, an AKG-tuned earphone for audio listening, and some extra earbuds. Powering up the device only takes less than a minute to complete, as you can see here, considering that I already installed some apps. With its 6.2-inch QHD Plus Super AMOLED display, you can enjoy watching videos and play games, along with its dual stereo speaker. So, if you wish to see some awesome pictures and videos using this phone, follow me on my social media accounts and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.